We'll guide you through how to sign up for Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website on your desktop browser. When you're there, look for the Sign Up button on the top right corner of the page and click it. You'll be presented with several options to create your account. You can choose to sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account, or you can opt to use an email address. If you choose to sign up with a Git provider like GitHub, click on the corresponding button. This will redirect you to the GitHub login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be asked to authorize Vercel to access your account. Click Authorize to proceed. If you prefer to sign up using your email, click on Continue with Email. Enter your email address and then create a secure password. After that, click Sign Up. Vercel will then send a verification email to your provided email address. Go to your email inbox, find the email from Vercel, and click on the verification link. This will confirm your email address and activate your account. Once your email is verified, you'll be redirected back to Vercel where you can start setting up your first project. You might also be prompted to choose a plan. If you're just starting out, you can select the free plan which offers plenty of features for personal projects. And that's it. You're now ready to deploy your first site with Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.